Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. The first word we're going to write today is the word tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. Please write tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. One more time. T-E-N-T. One last time. T-E-N-T. Tent. Our next word is the word slip. S-O-I-P. Slip. S-O-I-P. Slip. S-O-I-P. Last time. S-O-I-P. Slip. Our third word is the word belt. B-E-O-L-T. Belt. Again. B-E-O-L-T. Last time. B-E-O-L-T. Belt. Our fourth word is glad. G-O-A-D. Glad. G-O-A-D. Glad. Again. G-O-A-D. Last time. G-O-A-D. Glad. Our next word is twig. T-W-I-G. Twig. T-W-I-G. Twig. T-W-I-G. Again. T-W-I-G. Twig. Our next word is melt. M-E-L-T. Melt. M-E-L-T. Melt. Again. M-E-L-T. Last time. M-E-L-T. Melt. Our next word is clog. K-O-R-G. Clog. K-O-R-G. Clog. Again. K-O-R-G. Last time. K-O-R-G. Clog. Our next word is held. H-E-L-D. Held. H-E-L-D. old. Again, held. Old. Last time, old. Held. Number 9 is trap. App. Trap. App. Again, app. Last time, app. Trap. And our last word is fled. 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 Last time. Fled. Way to go, boys and girls. Turn your paper over. All right, my friends. This side, we're working with L blend. We're looking for GL. Color the GL words. Our first word is glad. Do you see GL in the word glad? Yes, we do. So we're going to color the word glad. Our next word is gland. Do you see GL in gland? Yes, we do. Our next word is crop. Do you see the L blend in crop? Nope. So we're going to leave it blank. Our next word is glow. Do you see L blend in glow? Yes, we do. So we're going to color glow. Then we have the word draw. Do you see GL blend in draw? Nope. So we're going to leave it blank. Then we have glass. I see GL in glass. So I'm going to color the word glass. Next word is grow. Do you see GL in grow? Nope. Leave it blank. Then I have glue. Do you see GL in glue? Yes, we do. So we're going to color the word glue. Then we have flip. Do you see goal in flip? No, we don't. We're going to skip it. Play is next. Do you see the GL blend in play? Not there. Leave it blank. Next word is glob. Do you see the GL blend in glob? Yes, we do. So we're going to color the word glob because it has GL. Last word is glum. I see GL, goal, in glum. So I'm going to color it. All right, my friends, you're going to do spin, read, and write by yourself. So please make sure you have a paper clip to spin 8 words with GL. Pause the video. All right, my friends, good job on spin, read, and write. We're now going to do our word bank at the bottom. Our first word is glass. G-O-A-S. Glass. I know that I need 5 boxes. We're going to have a basement box, tall box, and then 3 short boxes. Ooh, I see that right here. G-O-A-S. Glass. And I'm going to cross it off when I'm done. My next word is glad. G-O-A-D. glad. 4 boxes. I need a basement, a tall, short, tall. Where can I put glad? Right here. G, O, A, D. Glad. Cross it off when you're done. Our next word, G-L-O, glow. I need a basement box, a tall box, and 2 short boxes. G, L, and O-W says O, glow. My next word is glue. G-L-U, glue. G-L-U, glue. Cross it off when I'm done. Then I have glint. G-L-I-N-T, glint. G-L-I-N-T, glint. Cross it off when I'm done. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.